Weija is a small town and is in the capital of Ga South Municipal District, a district in the greater Accra region of Ghana. Weija has become a hotspot for economic activity because of its ultra-modern shopping center, the West Hills Mall, which has been built there. What we are showing you now is the split of first area of the Ga West District. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I will entreat you to do all and click on the red subscribe button. Wait for some few minutes. You'll see a notification bell. Click on it and select all to get notified anytime we post our videos.